everyone, this is Travel recipe videos, and today I'm making pasta chips. Pretty much for this pasta you needed some oil and some seasoning. Very easy to make. So first what you do is you put the pasta in here like this, and you put a little bit of olive oil. Now what you do is you put in some seasoning. Like this. Now what you do is just mix it. And now just let this cook. So now it's like this. It still needs a bit more. So this is pasta chip. They're super easy to make, so please show it like and subscribe to Hunya Travels. Thank you.